I will break down the 2026 tax policy and show you the way out, especially if you are a small or growing business. Nigerian 2026 tax policy tighten compliance to make sure you are paying your tax. The policy increased penalties and favored registered and well-documented businesses. This is the best time for you to keep proper record of your transaction, receipts, and any other documents. This policy will affect all, even you as an individual. Personal income tax is a max of 25%. What that means is that the government will be removing 15 to 25% of the total amount of money that enter your account in a year. Somebody type Azaman, is that you? For instance, if 100 million enter your account, government will remove 25 million and give you 75 million. As long as you are earning more than 800,000 in a year, you will pay tax. Now let us talk about the interesting part of this video, the possible way out. Number one, this is for individual. Like I said earlier, if you are earning anything above 800,000, you will pay tax. And you might not pay tax if you pay attention to this. And this is where it's become trickish. So pay attention. Let's assume your monthly salary is 100k and your friends or family usually send you 100k monthly for your upkeep or monthly allowance. Now let's do the maths. That is 200k monthly times 12 is equal to 2.4 million naira. You know, I said earlier that if you are earning anything above 800,000, you will pay tax. So now 800,000 minus 2.4 million, you are left with 1.6 million naira. Your first 800,000 naira will not be taxed, but anything from that 800,000 naira above will be taxed. Now, there is possibility that this 1.6 million naira will be taxed if care is not taken. If your friends and family use narration like upkeep, gifts, or monthly allowance in the transaction narration, the money won't be taxed. So remember, when we are doing the maths before, you have 1.6 million naira left. Now let's do the maths. 100,000 naira times 12 is equal to 1.2. 1.2 minus 1.6 is equal to 400,000. So we have 400,000 naira left that government might tax. So please use your narration very well. When you are sending money to your friends, to anybody, to your mother, the monthly allowance, use this narration. If the money is for monthly allowance, state it there that is for monthly allowance. If the money is for buy shoe, state it there that is for buy shoe. This is the best time to be making use of your narration when you are sending money. And the remaining 400k, you might not even pay tax because the new tax policy make room to remove deduction and relief such as rent relief, NHIS, and some expenses. So at the end of the day, when they are doing the calculation, this 400k too, you might not pay tax on it. Number two, this is for my business owner. So business owner, move closer because this new tax policy is actually crazy. No matter how small your business or the amount of money you are making is, the first thing I will advise you to do is for you to upgrade your business or register an LLC company if you have not registered a business before. But if peradventure you have registered your business before as a business name, this is the best time. Please, as soon as possible, contact any vendor or someone that helped you to register your business before that you want to upgrade your business name to a business like a limited liability company, LFC. There is something we call tax exempt for business that are earning below 50 to 100 million naira in a year. And when I'm talking about business, I'm not talking about business name. I'm talking about LLC, limited liability company. So if your company is earning below 50 to 100 million naira in a year, you won't be paying tax. You won't be paying tax. So that is one of the reasons why I advise you to upgrade your business name to an LLC company. Another trick is that if you are earning like 300 million naira in a year and you still want to be finding a way not to be paying your tax, another thing I can advise you to do is maybe you should register 2 to 3 company and then you split the 300 million naira in this company account. With that, you will be paying any tax at the end of the year. But if you are earning like 1 billion naira, please, I will advise you cut their soup for them because you are making money. So there is nothing bad in you also paying your quota to government. like they said, give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. This number 3 is for agricultural companies. If you are into agro business, move closer because this new tax policy have a lot of good news in stock for you. Agro companies are VAT exempt and they won't be paying tax for the next 5 years. This idea is to encourage agro business and more people to go into agricultural business. I hope you know the difference between tax and VAT. And if you don't know the difference between tax and VAT, stay tuned for my next video where I'll be breaking down the difference between tax and VAT.